want to tell me about your van?
This is my van.
So they're moving in all of this wood, so I can't really lift any of the boards that they're bringing into the house, so I'm just here for emotional support. Time is now! 100%! Give it all you got! Come on! Come on! Keep breathing! Keep breathing! You know the beta. You got this. So they're moving this. Whew. It's a lot to move. What did I sign up for? Oh my god, that's so dangerous. This is so not solid.
The wood burner with back boiler has arrived from the UK, and they were unable to bring it up the hill to the house because it came in a giant Arctic lorry, so we went to the square to pick it up.
So now we're just marking out the roof just to try and make it easier to lay it accurately. And this string has got like a chalky substance in it. You lift it up, whop it down, and it just marks the whole line. Easy. Cutting down some tiles to fit the end of the roof and the top of the roof, because there's 12 centimetres you need to cut off, then it makes them more nicely aligned. Yeah, quite a lot, a bit dusty.
All alone, working all the time, no one helps me. Oh, such a hard life.
So I'm currently driving to France to basically buy windows. This is quite good these windows which are like solid oak windows and quite good value for money. So basically going to go to France, see a friend, pick up the windows and then come back. It's about 3 hours each way. But then basically it will save me about €1,000 of the equivalent in Spain. So pretty cool. But so beautiful the Pyrenees this time of year. So we've got the windows and doors. It wasn't too bad. The big bay doors will come in separate parts as I hoped it would. So it wasn't strictly needed, but we have got one door fitted perfectly in it. So now going back, the annoying thing is that there's another window I ordered which will be like next Wednesday or something, so I might have to come back for it. But the great thing is we can get this stuff, go back and start working on this.
Ezra and Anna were staying at the nearby crag Oliana for a couple of days climbing, and Anna was back on her project, Mont Deux.
So every day I tried to put on shorts and then realized that it's way too freaking cold to wear shorts. But it's like unfaltering optimism, you know, I'm like, today's the day, today I can wear shorts, but I'm gonna change right back into pants. Ezra's killing it, look. I've got questions, really important ones.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have a pink rope and Jared,
Yeah.
that's my brother's name, has a green rope, how many apples do you think it'll take to send your route?
7. Next question.
If 14 minus 9 is 82, what's your favorite type of burrito?
Mexican.
What did 0 say to your figure 8 knot? Nice belt. Hello, you want to tell me about your van?
This is my van.
I know we still needed to shoot a proper tour of Ezra's van, but for the time being, here's a mini tour from Anna.
So this is like basic Spanish. Emergency escape hatch.
Oh, nice.
Obviously you need an assortment of random pens.
Yes.
Tea. Regular breakfast / builder's tea.
Perfect.
Got Earl Grey. TikTok rooibos. A selection of herbal teas.
Oh, perfect.
Very essential.
Wonderful. So there's the little sun hatch, beautiful dolphin in the bed. Oh, this is what the people want right here. Look at that. Little cup holding tray. So nifty.
Obviously everyone needs a patch of exposed insulation where they once intended to put a wood burner and never did.
Oh, that's what that's for. Yeah, I thought it was artistic choice. Like, and then a little bookshelf here. All right, we're gonna make some food. All right, what do we got going on here?
So we have got lunchtime leftover quesadilla special.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Right, we got some leafy greens, peppers, cheese, and avocado. Oh, it's gonna taste so good. It's time to play.
Maybe.
Okay, we decided to stay in Oleana for the night, and look how beautiful. We're just gonna climb today. I think maybe I'll help him with the project, but honestly, my finger is pretty bloody, and I want to try the other climbs, you know? So we'll see what happens. This is the hike to Oleana. It's hot enough to wear shorts.
Anak Verhoeven, one of the strongest female climbers in the world, was also at the crag and had just sent Jo Muma a 9A+. So Ezra went up to take some pictures and video of her on the route.
You getting set up to Jumar? Yeah, so you have everything you need to take photos, and then you're going up this rope.
So we've got one Jumar, and we've got a Gree.
Okay.
And we've got like a bit of a pulley system to make it a bit easier. And then another rope here, which is currently a bit tangled in this hedge, which goes there, so I can like pull myself into the wall.
Oh, I see. It's this rope right here. Got it. Oh, because you'll spin if you're just staying free dangling.
Yeah.
Got it. Jumaring. Yeah. Yeah. Photos. Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel good and cold. But
Yeah, but super excited. Oh my gosh. I'm here in Oleana, and I just arrived at the crag, took a look at the guidebook, and decided to try the moves of Jo Muma. It just looked nice, looked like a nice line, and I said okay. I've been here in Oleana for about 3 weeks, and I've been trying it all the time, except for some days when it was raining and the route got wet. The first thing I found really hard about the route was the tiny holes and the painful fingers I got. So that was tough. And then I had to figure out all the moves on myself, basically. So that wasn't easy. I saw some videos of men doing the route, and that's completely different from the way I did it, because yeah, it's a first female ascent. I'm really happy about that.
It's great to have a crew of people around to do these things and also just hang out in general. It's always the people that make a place great. It's never really just the place itself.
I'm a pro.